Hi, you guys. So, this is my first IGTV, and I decided to show you how to clean the lace as well as wash the hair for your wigs. Alright, now this hair is from KBL Hair Factory. They sent me 3 bundles. I have I have deep wave, I have a deep wave in 18-inch, 20, and 22-inch, as well as a 18-inch closure. This is me just showing you the inside of the wig, how I sewed it, showing you what the lace looks like. The lace is not very dirty, but it's still dirty, and I was gonna wash the hair anyway. But anyways, the hair is very soft. It didn't have a bad smell to it. It had a small smell, but it wasn't just like overwhelming. You know what I'm saying? The hair is very soft. It didn't shed a lot. It didn't. It doesn't tangle very easily. You know what I'm saying? The hair is good quality hair. The lace as well is very good quality lace. It was not pre-plucked, but it came with, baby hairs and all of that. The hair is very good quality hair. KBL Hair Factory has very good soft quality hair, which is very good, especially if you're making a wig. You want quality hair with your wigs, you know what I'm saying? But here I'm just, wetting the hair. Make sure you get the hair completely wet, because you want the hair all the way wet before you apply any conditioner, any shampoo, or anything, you know what I'm saying? And I'm using a 2-in-1 conditioner and shampoo. When you're, cleaning your wigs and all, you want to make sure you're using something gentle, because it's still human hair, you know what I'm saying? Shampoo will still strip the hair of its natural oils. It will still make the hair feel brittle sometimes, so you need to make sure you're conditioning the hair. Make sure you're deep conditioning the hair. And what I'm doing here is, what you saw me do was wash the lace with my palm, because I'm trying to be as gentle as possible, because the lace can rip. Lace is not very thick or anything. It can rip. So you need to be as gentle as possible when you're working with the lace. I know it looks like I'm being rough, but I was being gentle. You need to, make sure your hair is actually clean. Make sure it gets, the product gets all throughout the hair and everything. That's basically what I'm doing here. It's just, dispersing the product throughout the hair. Being as gentle as possible, making sure to get everything. And you don't always need to use a shampoo when you're washing it. Sometimes you can just co-wash it, and that's just using conditioner. Basically just conditioner, no shampoo. Same thing. Alright, get a good lather on the hair. Make sure it's getting nice and clean. Nice and clean. Like you see, I tried to go with my comb through it. I'm not even gonna lie, the comb is messed up from one. But here I am struggling, trying to, I usually don't do this. I'm not gonna cap. I did it for the camera, and I saw that I should not have. I should just stuck to what I was doing. But if you can, if you want to comb through your stuff, comb through it. No problem with it. Comb through it. I just never done it before. My comb is messed up because my dog bit it. Anyway, I'm telling y'all too much. Anyways, as you can see, I'm just being gentle with the lace, using my fingertips to make sure I got all of the glue, all of the got-to-be, all of the makeup, concealer. You know what I'm saying? Just making sure I removed everything. Now I'm going to rinse it out. Alright, so I'm just washing all the product out of the hair, making sure I get everything out, because you don't want leftover product in the hair. Next, I'll be adding conditioner, and you will see, me add the conditioner and stuff like that. But anyway, let me talk about the hair for a second. This hair was sent to me from KBL Hair Factory. They, like I said before, it's a deep wave. This hair is very soft. The curl pattern stays after heat. It stays after when I say after heat, baby, I've curled this hair. I've straightened this hair. I've curled it 4 different times, straightened it 3 different times. And as you can see, the curl pattern is still there. Everything is still there. The hair is still nice, soft, lovely, didn't shed. It tangles a little bit sometimes, but it's nothing to just comb it out. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's nothing unbearable type stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So this is me just putting the conditioner all throughout the hair. And yeah, this is me just putting the conditioner in the hair. Yeah, so just, putting the stuff in there. And as you can see, the hair did get a little tangled at the top from just how I was holding it. Like, I had it balled up. But it's nothing to just comb it out. This is me trying to comb it out. But like I said, my comb was messed up. So it'll be easier if you have, if your comb ain't messed up. And here I am again doing stuff for the camera that I don't do in real life. If I was to actually comb out my hair like this, I would definitely use a wig brush instead of the wide tooth comb, because the wig brush has more bristles and it's easier for it to, detangle. Especially curly hair like this. It's easier to detangle it and get through it. So the wide tooth comb just wasn't cutting it at all, especially while it was messed up. But yeah, this hair is still holding on. It's still, the curls are still there, still popping. Yes. So yeah, I'll be back after I'm done, combing it all out. Yeah, it's definitely important, I will say, when you have curly hair, to detangle it with the conditioner in it. It's very important, so it'll be easier after you're done. You know what I'm saying? And it's also very important to have the right tools to use. As you can see, I'm struggling because I didn't have the right type of tools. It's best to use a wig brush if you're gonna comb out and try to detangle your hair while the conditioner is in there, while it's wet. It's best to have more bristles than less bristles, so you can, comb it through all the way. Get everything nice and combed through. But here I am, combing it to the best of my ability. And to the best of my ability. And we're just going to, rinse it out. I still rinse out the conditioner with my wigs, with cool water. Not very cold, but cool water. So that the moisture and shine will remain. Just like regular human hair. This hair is very shiny for a textured hair. Usually hair that is textured, it's dry. You know what I'm saying? And this is very shiny, it feels very moisturized type. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at how it looks. It looks moisturized. It looks shiny. It's not like their curl pattern doesn't have that crunchy type feeling on the outside of the hair. You know how you get a body wave or something and it'll have that feeling on the hair? This don't have that feeling. Look, I'm just wringing it out. You know what I'm saying? That's what you got to do. Just wring it out like a towel. Wring it out like a towel. Be gentle though, because it's still, be gentle, but just wring it out, basically. That's the easiest way, because I don't know how else you would have did it other than wringing it out like that. But I just do it a couple times. I ain't do it a lot on there. But look at those curls. Look at the curls. Yes. Thanks for watching. Look at me. Look at me. And this is the hair. I just put it on my little head and I took it outside because I'm finna comb it out and stuff like that. And this is the lace. I'm just showing you the hair after I after I washed it. This is what it looks like. Curls, yes. Look how it looks though. And it's like halfway dry right here. I think it's halfway dry. It could be fully dry. I don't remember. I think it's halfway dry. But look at the curls on it though. Yes. 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 Look how soft it looks. You see what I'm saying? How soft and shiny it is. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.